Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, here's that bezel with that lens I poured in there made out of epoxy. Let me set this down for a second so I can turn the power on. And as you see, it works absolutely perfectly. It looks almost the same color as the number board. And it's just 5-minute epoxy. It didn't cost anything. It only took 10 minutes to do it. And seems to work just fine. It's bright, it's clear, the hole is filled, it actually replaced the lens. So a really simple way to do this. Doesn't cost anything and only takes 10 minutes really. Pour it, let it set, and you have an instant lens where you had none before. Now that lens was missing, and the only way to replace it would be with a clear plastic rod, which I don't have any of. So anyway, just wanted to try that epoxy, and it seems to have worked just absolutely perfectly. As you see, it's nearly the same color as the number board itself. And most of the color, of course, is coming from the light bulb. But it definitely replaced that lens. That was just an open hole. And it is no longer. It actually has a clear lens that fills it and works perfectly. And best of all, cost nothing. So, just want to do a quick follow-up. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benstrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.